Talk about real and raw. This is me. Just made some lunch, emptied out the pickle jar. We have the pickle, the vinegar, the salt of the old pickle jar. We've all been there, right? We have vegetables that are either too small, they're because they'll cook at different times, or they're going a little bit, they're coming close to expiry, but no mold is growing on them yet. It doesn't even have to be that. It can just be that you love pickled vegetables. And this is a way to preserve your vegetables. Certainly with red onion, I love to do the boiling water on top of them and then adding vinegar and salt and creating jars of pickled onions, because if you have not done this, it's delicious. Pickled onions on any sandwich adds to the flavor of any sandwich. How many of us have some vegetables that are getting close to maybe their prime and you want to still utilize them somehow and you feel the pressure to do so? In this case, using the pickle vinegar from your pickle jar. This one was dill pickles with garlic, so there's even garlic added into this one. I mean, vinegar and salt have been used since the dawn of day to preserve, especially salt. All cultures have some kind of a salting process, even for meat and for all kinds of things. It couldn't be easier. And this just happened to be timely. We had finished our pickles. You don't need to peel the carrots, by the way. Who hasn't had an amazing Vietnamese sandwich with the pickled carrots? And they use another vegetable, I can't recall. All cultures, Mexican, Italians, everybody has a certain pickling process that they put and use their food. So this, I might actually have to add some water. So far in my old pickle jar, I have a cucumber, English one. It was on the edge of going bad, but I took all of the good that was left. The red onions, yum. I just took some, and that is my favorite pickled vegetable for sure, by far. But now I'm adding carrots and I'm adding some red pepper. I have so many red peppers, and so I thought, and this one is just, they're not bad. You shouldn't be using bad vegetables in this. So I am running out of fluid, so you can add more water. You can add water and vinegar to this process. Leave it for a few weeks. I might even try it in a few days to see what it tastes like along the way, but I wanted to film on doing the process of this. My vinegar. There was dill and garlic in the bottom of that pickle jar. I should take if it was easier, pour some hot water on this label. These are Lisa's pickles. I don't need to get that label off, but just to know that it is not the dill that we purchased. Just so you can be sure, if you're worried about expiration dates, these pickles were to expire in 2027. But I question that with the main ingredients being vinegar and salt. Yeah, the top ingredients is cucumbers, water, vinegar, and salt, dried garlic, and it even says it has some turmeric, which is interesting, that in their original recipe. So there it is. Bring it up to the top. If not, you can even add a little bit of water. You can taste it, and you could add salt. I think it tastes perfect. I'm gonna put a Post-it on it with the date and 2 weeks, and so I know when I should come and try them and when they should be fully pickled. Pretty cool, huh? How to preserve your vegetables and really enjoy them in their new life, in their rebirth. Okay, so here we are 2 weeks later. And yes, almost exactly. I've got the date on the top. And I have to be honest, we already broke into these. We already ate them the other night. Carrots, the cucumbers, red pepper. What else did I put in there? I was putting lots of stuff from my vegetable drawer into the mixed vinegar. I did add a bit more, onions, which are fantastic. I think that's it. Onions, red peppers, cucumber, and carrots. And I don't know why I didn't think to do this before. Preserving food in salt, vinegar has been around since the dawn of day. And I have felt pressure about vegetables being in my crisper after X amount of days to make soup. And I've also thrown away often after the Vicks jar is gone. This is like, what's Vicks now? Probably $6. I could make my own. Pickling is one of those things that is a bit daunting, because I remember my mom doing it with the big pliers, and there certainly has to be like food safeness, but make sure you've cleaned your vegetables. I wouldn't want to do this too many times, but man, so easy, so good. Come on, everybody. Don't throw your veggies in the compost. Just put them in vinegar. And better yet, recycle your pickle vinegar. Such a great snack.